Symposium. Thank you all so much for being here. I welcome you all to the third edition of IME's Women's History Month Festival. This year it is called Women's History, Art and Music, and we have a variety of very amazing, wonderful programs that showcase the diversity of music in India and center the stories, experiences and contributions, especially of women and marginalized genders in the music landscape of India. It is so gratifying to see all of you turn up in such large numbers, especially for our community program, which we're so thrilled about. And today we have the Marathi Mandal Bangalore South, who have put together a buffet of Marathi folk song and dance for all of us to enjoy and also learn about the richness of Maharashtra's culture. So sit back, enjoy, and there might be segments in between where you'll be called to get up from your seats and shake a leg, so please don't be shy. Without taking up too much of your time, once the program is over, please leave your feedback on the feedback wall inside. Essentially, it's just pins that you have to pin on a board. And spread the word about the festival. Follow us on Indian Music Experience on Instagram. All the programs are free for everyone to attend. And with that, please put your hands together for Marathi Mandal. I'd like to invite Shilpa to introduce and set context to the program.
Thank you, Sarvar. Thank you. Good evening, everyone, and a very warm welcome to this beautiful evening of music and celebration. I am Shilpa Raikar. With me, I have Padmaja Rao. I also have Sucheta Raze. So, we three will be your hosts for today evening. So, let us enjoy. It's our pleasure to be a part of WAM, a month-long festival of women's history, art and music. We would like to thank Indian Music Experience IME for inviting Marathi Mandal Bengaluru South MMBS to be a part of this colourful celebration. Indian music has always had women at its heart, and Maharashtra's rich cultural heritage is deeply rooted in Loka Sangeet or the folk music. It has been nurtured and preserved by women through ages. Today, we at MMBS invite you on a magical journey featuring forms such as Ovi, Abhanga, Lavani, Natyageet, Kodigeet, Gondhar, Zogwa, Lejim and much more. Together, these traditions have shaped a living cultural heritage where music, dance and literature continue to reflect devotion, emotion and the rhythms of everyday life. This journey will also include a few interactive moments inviting you to participate and experience these performances more closely. So let's begin.
We'll now be presenting something called Ovis. Ovis are simple musical verses expressed in conversational language, often spontaneously composed. These songs are not formal performances, but a natural way for women to express their thoughts and emotions through music. In Marathi literature, in many ways, these songs became a musical diary of their life and experience, mostly sung while doing the daily chores of their lives. Here are a few traditional Ovis being sung by Gayatri Behre and being enacted by Gandhali Moghe, Shreyanshi Shevde, Vibhavari and Pooja Dhani.
हात जोडोनी लागून ये बाई दुर्जनांच्या संगतीला. पहिल्या ओवीचा पापी करतो आळस, त्र्यंबकेश्वराला आहे सोन्याचा कळस. पहिला नमस्कार काशी विश्वेश्वराला, नांदतो बाळ माझा आशीर्वाद आहे तुझा. उगवला नारायण योग सकाळच्या पारी, उगवताना पाणी पड माझ्या कुंकवाच्या चिरी. सकाळच्या पारी दिस उगवला कुणीकड, उगवताना पाणी पड माझ्या कुंकवा रंग चढ. उगवला सूर्या केळीच्या कमळात, मावळाय गेला नारळी बनी दाट, नारळी बनी दाट, नारळी बनी दाट.
From the simple everyday expressions of Ovi, we now move on to a more devotional and spiritual space with Bhupari. Bhupari reflects the Marathi tradition where a woman's voice greets the dawn, filling homes and hearts with devotion and harmony. These songs are often heard in temples and homes, creating a calm atmosphere at the start of the day. The next presentation, which is based on Rag Bhupali, uses gentle and soothing notes to evoke serenity and inner balance. This beautiful Bhupari is originally rendered by the internationally acclaimed and versatile singer from Maharashtra, Asha Bhosle, and now it is being rendered by Shilpa Raj.
Hello, hello, hello.
So,
उठी श्रीराम, उठी श्रीराम, महाल झाली पूर्व दिशा
From the calm and devotional mood of Bhupali, we now move on to a powerful and energetic form of worship, Gondhal. Gondhal is a traditional ritualistic folk performance from Maharashtra dedicated to deities such as Renuka Devi, Yallamma, Khandoba. Traditionally performed during auspicious occasions like weddings, it combines singing, storytelling, and dynamic dance movements. The performance presented by the Gondhali community is filled with vibrant energy and rhythmic expressions, often creating a deeply spiritual and trance-like experience for both performers and the audience alike. Let's now witness the powerful energy and sacred spirit of Gondhal performance by Prajakta Kumbhare and Archana Bavankar.
आई भवानी तुझ्या कृपेने तारसी भक्ताला आई भवानी तुझ्या कृपेने तारसी भक्ताला अगाध महिमा तुझी माऊली वारी संकटाला अगाध महिमा तुझी माऊली वारी संकटाला आई कृपा करी माझ्यावरी जागवी तो रात सारी आई कृपा करी माझ्यावरी जागवी तो रात सारी आज गोंधळ आला ये मांडला भवानी गोंधळाला ये गोंधळ मांडला गमने गोंधळाला ये गोंधळ मांडला भवानी गोंधळाला ये गोंधळ मांडला गमने गोंधळाला ये
What an energy. Just to share an interesting piece of information, Maharashtra has also gifted world with extraordinary women artists from Hindustani classical music. One of such names is Vidushi Hirabai Badodekar from Kirana Gharana. She is the first female artist who introduced ticketed concerts in India. She was chosen to sing National Anthem and Vande Mataram from the Red Fort on 15th August 1947. Something to be very proud of. Now, let's listen to a song that speaks straight from the heart. A song of devotion, hard work and everyday life. Airanicha Deva is a heartfelt plea to the anvil addressed as a deity by ironsmiths and blacksmiths to depict their work as worship. The song beautifully honors the dignity of labor and strength of ordinary people. Did you know that this was sung and also composed by Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar who used Anand Ghan as her identity in presenting her compositions. She was one of the rare women music composers in India, inspiring generations with her exceptional talent and creativity. This song remains a timeless musical treasure. Shilpa Nadkarni will be presenting this beautiful, soulful piece of music. Over to Shilpa.
ऐरणीच्या देवा तुला ठिंगी ठिंगी वाहू दे, आबाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे, आबाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे. लिवले ना गरिबीचा चणा खाऊ लोखंडाचा, लिवले ना गरिबीचा चणा खाऊ लोखंडाचा, जिना बाबा भरूचा मातुल माझ्या देवा वागावानी असू दे, आबाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे. लक्ष्मीच्या हातातली चौरी भावी वर खाली, लक्ष्मीच्या हातातली चौरी भावी वर खाली, इडा पिडा जाईल आली किरपा तुझी हातातल्या सुरासंग, किरपा तुझी हातातल्या सुरासंग गाऊ दे, आबाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे. सुख थोडं दुःख भारी दुनिया ही भली बुरी, सुख थोडं दुःख भारी दुनिया ही भली बुरी, घाव बसल घावावरी सोसायला झुंजायला अंगी बाळा येऊ दे, आबाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे. ऐरणीच्या देवा तुला ठिंगी ठिंगी वाहू दे, आबाळागत माया तुझी आम्हावरी राहू दे. So we all could relate. So we all could appreciate the anvil sound which Lata Mangeshkar ji, while composing, has used so aptly in this song, isn't it? Moving from devotion to celebration, we now bring you the lively and energetic world of Kori Geet, the folk songs of Maharashtra's fishing community or the Kori community from the coastal region. Kori Geet reflects the rhythm of life by the sea. Traditionally sung by fisher folks, these songs capture their daily experiences. They subtly express the community's deep connection with nature and the ocean. Many of their songs tell playful stories of love and romance filled with energy and vibrant spirit. Bringing this colorful coastal tradition alive for you today, we have Gandhali Moghe, Swarupa Taithankar, Neeta Kavatkar, Hemangi Mule, Vaibhavi Shimpi and Purnima Kulkarni. Here's presenting He is presenting the Korigi Vallavre Nakwa. Over to you. After such a colorful celebration, let us now move to Burgunda, which is a form of Bharud, a thought-provoking folk art. This folk art blends humor, drama, and storytelling to convey deeper meanings. Popularized by Santa Eknath, it teaches moral values, spirituality, and social issues in a simple, engaging way, often portraying a female protagonist who challenges and corrects unjust practices against women. Presenting this folk art by our performers today, Manjiri Maslekar, Sujeta Raje, Prachi Devdhar, Subodh Panchikar, Sanjeev Daithankar, and Ashwin Vanikar.
Shiwala
यो बया मी फटीवाल्याला कसं बाप्याला कसं बुरगुंडा होईल
वाटलंच मला इथंच तर गल्लत करता तुम्ही बुरगुंडा म्हणजे पोर नव बुरगुंडा म्हणजे लेकरू नव मग बुरगुंडा म्हणजे हाय तरी काय बुरगुंडा म्हणजे ज्ञान
ज्ञान,
मग आम्हाला मी थोडंसं ज्ञान असं म्हणतात पाहिजे का ज्ञान पाहिजे का ज्ञान घ्या वाईच मिळेल बर का पाहिजे ना घ्या ऐका
बोला पुंडलिक वरदे हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम बोला पंढरीनाथ महाराज की जय
ऐका मळवट फासून दगडाला काय कळतंय का मळवट फासून दगडाला देवी म्हणती माणस पण हाड मासाच्या पायीला अव आमच्या सारख्या बायांना दासी करती माणस मग अशा माणसांना घडूच दे
घडूच दे की.
आजच्या पुरतं ज्ञान बरं झालं बरं का बस घे आता मला जायचंय मोहरत या गावाला हा चला आता पुन्हा भेटूया
यावा बरं पुन्हा
भेटूया तू पुन्हा सुया घे फणी घे
That was awesome. Just some trivia. Did you know that a rendition of Rag Bhairavi by our own Marathi legendary vocalist Kesarbai Kerkar was selected for NASA's Voyager Golden Record, carrying the essence of Indian music into space as a message from humanity. Isn't that a proud moment for us? Now let us experience the divinity of pure spiritual music form known as Abhanga. Abhangas are devotional songs from Maharashtra rooted in the Bhakti tradition, expressing spirituality through simple poetry and music. Closely linked to the Varkari Sampradaya, saints like Jnaneshwar, Namdev and Tukaram, and women saints like Janabai, Muktabai, Soirabai and Kanhopatra spread devotion, equality and compassion. The Abhanga, which you will now hear, Avgha Ranga Ek Zhala, was written by Santa Soirabai and beautifully composed and sung by the legendary Gana Saraswati Kishoritai Amonkar in Rag Bhairavi. This Abhanga today will be sung by Padmaja Rao. She is being accompanied by young and talented Neha Tamhankar on harmonium, Ketki Tamhankar on tabla. Let us hear the Abhanga.
अवघा रंग एक झाला अवघा रंग एक झाला अवघा रंग एक झाला रंगी रंगला श्रीरंग रंगी रंगला श्रीरंग रंगी रंगला श्रीरंग अवघा रंग एक झाला अवघा रंग एक झाला मी तू पण गेले वाया आ
Maharashtra with lively celebrations of Mangala Gaur. We would love all of you to participate and enjoy this art form with us. In the end, we will call you. Mangala Gaur Khel are traditional all-women folk games of Maharashtra played during the month of Shravan, especially on Tuesdays. Celebrated by newly married women, they honor Goddess Gauri and pray for happiness and prosperity. Through games like Jimma and Fugdi, they bring joy, fitness, and strong community building bonding. Participating in Mangala Gaur Khel today are Suniti Mauli, Kirti Rao, Archana Bavankar, Prajakta Kumbhare, Manasi Tambekar, and Shilpa Ram. Over to Mangala Gaur.
देवी मंगळा गौरी कुमारीन सोनिया ताटी रत्नांची देवी माणिकाच्या वाटी जय देवी मंगळा गौरी
चला तर त्याला आपण फेर धरूया. गौरी मध्ये गौरबाई मंगळा गौर, गौरी मध्ये गौरबाई मंगळा गौर. चला ग मंगळा गौरीचा या करूया जागर, चला ग मंगळा गौरीचा या करूया जागर. एक खुर्ची का मिरची खेळायचं का ग? चला बघू चला. खुर्ची का मिरची साशील कैशी, खुर्ची का मिरची साशील कैशी. सासूबाई बोलावतात बरं करीतात, सासूबाई बोलावतात बरं करीतात. खुर्ची का मिरची साशील कैशी, खुर्ची का मिरची साशील कैशी. मामंजी रागावतात बरं करीतात, मामंजी रागावतात बरं करीतात. खुर्ची का मिरची साशील कैशी, खुर्ची का मिरची साशील कैशी. हे बोलावतात बरं करीतात, हे बोलावतात बरं करीतात. ए, चला ग चला साळुंकी साळकी करूया बरं. साळुंकी साळकी तुझी माझी पालकी, रामाची शांती पगडा फुबाई पगडा फू. साळुंकी साळकी तुझी माझी पालकी, रामाची शांती पगडा फुबाई पगडा फू. गेले होते राना विसरले काना, पगडा फुबाई पगडा फू. गेले होते शेता विसरले कोयता, पगडा फुबाई पगडा फू. गेले होते विहिरी विसरले गौरी, पगडा फुबाई पगडा फू. पगडा फुबाई पगडा फू. पगडा फू. आता लाट्या बाई लाट्या करूया. चला नाही लाट्याबाई लाट्या चंदळी लाट्या, मामांनी दिल्या मला सारंगी पेट्या. फुबाई फू सहाजाणी फू, पिल्लाच्या झाडाखाली महादेवाची. काय सांगू माय, काय सांगू माय, कुंडीवरचा हार माझा नेलास की काय, कुंडीवरचा हार माझा नेलास की काय, कुंडीवरचा हार माझा नेलास की काय. चला हट्टूशी पानबाई हट्टूशी खेळायचं का? दमता लगेच बाई तुम्ही. हट्टूश पानबाई हट्टूश, पैठण्याने आपण हट्टूश. हट्टूश पानबाई हट्टूश, गोरपटवाले हट्टूश. हट्टूश पानबाई हट्टूश, मंगळागौर जागो आपण हट्टूश. हट्टूश पानबाई हट्टूश. ए, चला का चला तर खेळूया खेळूया का? सईबाईचा तोडा आली नग छान, आजी नग पाणी, काना खातो मोत्याचा बाई मोत्याचा ग. हात घालतो डोक्याची बाई डोक्याची ग. ए, सुपाचं काही खेळायचं का गं? अगं तू लहान आहे. आणि वाट बघू सगळ्यांना. चल चल नाच ग घुमा, नाचू मी कशी, नाच ग घुमा, नाचू मी कशी. या गावचा त्या गाव
कशी नाच ग घुमा या गावचा त्या गावचा काका नाही आला पांडा नाही आला नाचून मी कशी नाच ग घुमा नाचून मी कशी नाच ग घुमा या गावचा त्या गावचा सोना नाही आला नाचून मी कशी नाच ग घुमा 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 खिडकीचं पानबाई किती सागर माझा सुसू खिडकीचं पानबाई किती सागर माझा सुसू आल्या ग बाई गुजर कापूस द्यावं पिंजून खिडकीचं पानबाई किती सागर माझा सुसू
This also. So these games actually also made you fit. That's also one aspect of what we saw from the games. So from the lively celebration of Mangalagaur, we now move to the wisdom and simplicity of rural life through poetry. Using everyday visuals, these verses reflect both life's struggles and simple joys. Though Bahinabai was an unlettered farmer who composed her poems orally in Khandeshi dialect, her words carry deep insight. Her poetry is now a cherished part of Marathi literature, celebrating the strength and resilience of rural life. Let us hear a song, Are Sansara Sansara, by Aparna Deshpande.
अरे संसार संसार जसा तवा चुन्हावर आधी हाताला चटके तेव्हा मिळते भाकर अरे संसार संसार जसा तवा चुन्हावर आधी हाताला चटके तेव्हा मिळते भाकर अरे संसार संसार जसा तवा चुन्हावर आधी हाताला चटके तेव्हा मिळते भाकर अरे संसार संसार खोटा कधी म्हणू नये राऊळाच्या कळसाला लोटा कधी म्हणू नये अरे संसार संसार जसा तवा चुन्हावर आधी हाताला चटके तेव्हा मिळते भाकर अरे संसार संसार नाही रडण कुडण अरे संसार संसार नाही रडण कुडण येड्या गळ्यात लार म्हणून करे लोढण अरे संसार संसार जसा तवा चुन्हावर आधी हाताला चटके तेव्हा मिळते भाकर अरे संसार संसार
Okay, get settled. I'll just tell the crux of or the gist of the first two sentences. I'm a non-Marathi, but I understand Marathi. So, in that sense, what Bahinabai says is, she gives the example of making a roti on the chula. And unless you get your hand burned, you don't get the roti which is sweet. So, same thing about the life. That's how philosophical Bahinabai was. And that's what we get about life from her verses. Let's move on After this calm and soulful expressions we just witnessed, now I think you are ready to tap your feet because the next performance brings the vibrant beats and expressive charms of Maharashtra to the stage. Lavani is a traditional art form that blends energetic dance with expressive singing. Derived from the word Lavanya, which means beauty, Lavani is known for its grace, rhythm, and strong stage presence. A Lavani is always performed to the lively beats of Dhulki. With its fast tempo and expressive movements, it remains one of the most iconic and colorful pillars of Maharashtrian cultural heritage. Let us enjoy a Lavani now being presented by Niranjana Bali.
रेशमाच्या रेगानी लाल काळ्या धाग्यानी कर्नाटकी कशी दामी काढीला हात नका लावू माझ्या साडीला रेशमाच्या रेगानी लाल काळ्या धाग्यानी कर्नाटकी कशी दामी काढीला हात नका लावू माझ्या साडीला
This reaction is speaking for itself. Now, let us get ready to step into the world of music and theatre, where storytelling comes alive through melody and emotion. Marathi Sangeet Natak is a musical theatre form where songs, which are called as Natya Geet, drive the story. Emerging in the late 19th century, it made classical music accessible and engaging for common people. Combining classical, light, and folk styles, it remains a treasured part of Maharashtrian culture. He Suranno Chandrabha. This Natya Geet is taken from the famous play Yayati Ani Devayani. Ketki Tamhankar will be singing for us, accompanied by Shilpa Ram on the harmonium and Neha Tamhankar on the tabla. Over to you.
सुरानो चंद्रभा
चांदण्याचे कोश माझ्या प्रियकराला पोचवा हा प्रियकराला पोचवा हे सुरानो चंद्रभा हे सुरानो चंद्रभा 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 हा वाटे का गीत माझी वाटे का गीत माझी वाटे का गीत माझी हरवलेल्या मानसाची हरवलेल्या मानसाची बरसुनी आकाश सारे बरसुनी आकाश सारे अमृताने नाहवा हा अमृताने नाहवा हे सुरानो चंद्रभा हे सुरानो चंद्रभा चांदण्याचे कोश माझ्या चांदण्याचे कोश माझ्या प्रियकराला पोचवा हा प्रियकराला पोचवा हे सुरानो चंद्रभा हे सुरानो हे सुरानो हे सुरानो चंद्रभा हा
Isn't it mesmerizing? काय मग पाहुणं बरं आहे का?
लय भारी.
Now it's time to move into a traditional dance form named Zogwa. We have a lot of young talent presenting this. Zogwa is Marathi folk dance that bring women together through devotion and storytelling. Performed at festivals, it invites deities like Tulja Bhavani, Ambabai for seeking divine blessings. It keeps regional traditions alive, strengthens community bonds, and hands over culture memory to younger generations with expressive movements. So let's enjoy Zogwa Lallati Bhandar by our young artists Jeshtha Bari and Riya Matekar.
नदीच्या पल्ल्यावर आईचा गोंधळ नदी
Wasn't that captivating? Let us now see. You must be now wondering. We are going up and down from the energy point of view. We are trying to balance the energies. Once we go a little to the crescendo, then we bring you back to the sombre music, so that you enjoy and know the plethora of music that we have in India and specifically in Maharashtra. So the next thing that we are there is another genre of Marathi music known as Bhavgit. Bhavgit is a Marathi light music form that expresses emotions through poetic lyrics and melodious compositions, capturing themes of love, longing, and nature. It offers a soulful alternative to film music. One of the finest exponents of this genre was Padma Shri Pandita Manik Varma, whose soulful renditions popularized Marathi Bhavgit. Let us hear Savalacha Rang Tuzha, originally sung by Manik Varma ji, now being presented by Dr. Nikita.
सावळाच रंग तुझा, सावळाच रंग तुझा, सावळाच रंग तुझा, सावळाच रंग तुझा, पावसाळी नभा परी, पावसाळी नभा परी, आणि नजरेत तुझ्या, आणि नजरेत तुझ्या, वीज खेळते नाचरी. सावळाच रंग तुझा, सावळाच रंग तुझा, चंदनाच्या बना परी, चंदनाच्या बना परी, आणि नजरेत तुझ्या, आणि नजरेत तुझ्या, नाग खेळती विखारी, विखारी. सावळाच रंग तुझा, सावळाच रंग तुझा, सावळाच रंग तुझा, सावळाच रंग तुझा, गोकुळीच्या कृष्णा परी, गोकुळीच्या कृष्णा परी, आणि नजरेत तुझ्या, आणि नजरेत तुझ्या, नित्यनाद ते पावरी, नित्यनाद ते पावरी. सावळाच रंग तुझा, सावळाच रंग तुझा, सावळाच रंग तुझा, सावळाच रंग तुझा, माझ्या मनी झाकळतो, माझ्या मनी झाकळतो, माझ्या मनी झाकळतो, आणि नजरेचा चंद्र पाहू केव्हा उगवतो, पाहू केव्हा उगवतो, पाहू केव्हा उगवतो. सावळाच रंग तुझा,
was soulful, isn't it? So on this occasion, we would like to share a little about our Marathi Mandal Bengaluru South, MMBS. MMBS is a vibrant, inclusive Marathi community, Marathi loving community of about 200 families active since last 7 years in South Bangalore. We organize year-round activities for Marathi community, catering to wide range of interests and bringing people together. We also encourage and invite non-Marathi people to join our mandal. We already have quite a few non-Marathi people as our members. We proudly say that this is a Marathi loving community, irrespective of whether you are born into Marathi family or not. Thank you very much. For more details of membership, you can contact our volunteers wearing these MMBS badges. Thank you.
We thank the Indian Music Experience team, Prema. Dr. Aditi. Hello, yeah. We thank the Indian Music Experience team, Prema John, Dr. Aditi Gudi, Sarwar Kahlon for this opportunity. A big round of applause, please. Their wonderful support throughout the planning of this event. We also thank the IME volunteers, Ashwati Das and Rajalakshmi. We thank the support staff of IME and the sound engineering team. A big round of applause, please. We also thank all the members of MMBS family who are a part of this program. Most importantly, the wonderful audience for their lovely support and encouragement. A big round of applause. Yes. We now move towards the crescendo. So in Maharashtra, Ganesha procession is a festivity with dhol, tasha and legend. So we also have the first act, which is called as the Lathi Act. So we had a tradition of women warriors in Maharashtra. So today, showcasing the Lathi Act would be Prachi Devdar, followed by the Dhol Tasha Pathak. Women-led Dhol Tasha Pathak symbolize empowerment and break gender barriers. Their vibrant performances promote unity, cultural pride, inclusivity, and women's active participation in these traditions. Let us energize, let the energy rise with this performance. So, as told earlier, Mardani Khel with Lathi will be by Prachi Devdar. On the dhol will be Shilpa Ram. On the tasha, we have Sanjeev Daithankar. Okay, then it will be followed by the Legium group. And then we have a surprise dance movement by Sucheta Razi. Let us enjoy this.
रे